Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on System and Updates. Select Language and Input, and finally tap on Celia Keyboard. Over here, tap on Input under Keyboard, and as you can see, all typing features are available from here. If you want to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!